Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here, and today we are filming my very first haul of 2018. Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Let's go ahead and get started. I haven't really done hauls on my channel before, aside like clothing hauls. This is a full shopping haul, and I'll pretty much show you guys the type of shopper I am. I am very much a bargain shopper. I know when you're trying to come up financially, that's not always the best thing to do, because if you shop like I do, you probably end up spending more money, but you're only young once, right? It's a really bad financial excuse. Don't listen to me. Okay, so last weekend was when I did all my shopping. First place, or one of the places I went to, was Bath & Body Works. Had to do that semi-annual sale, so I got the Sweet Magnolia Body Mist as well as the Sweet Magnolia Body Wash. I also got 2 of the Paris Amour lotions. I love this smell. This this stuff smells so good. And then I also got, this is the weirdest like phase that I've ever gone to Bath & Body Works, because usually I get the whole set, but this time I was just like, man, whatever. I also got 2 of these Mad About You body washes. I'm about to smell so good this whole year. And then the thing I'm most excited about was this. This is just like an OG scent. Everyone knows this scent. It is Japanese Cherry Blossom, but look at the bottle. Oh, so cute. This is literally like the cutest bottle ever. I'm obsessed. I'm kind of obsessed with the box too. I might leave it in the box. Moving on, that's all I got from Bath & Body Works, and I ended up spending probably more than I wanted to there. 42 bucks. Not upset. The rest of the stuff is gonna be from TJMAXX and Nordstrom. They didn't even have a sale. I just was, honestly, I was on the hunt for all the Anastasia stuff that everyone keeps saying they're finding at not Nordstrom's. They're finding Urban Decay at Nordstrom's, Rack, and Anastasia Beverly Hills at TJMAXX and Marshall. So that's what I went for. But I got one of these nail polish holders. I'm doing this nail polish like collection with my Hello Kitty nail polishes. Stay tuned. This was $4.99. I found all these Smashbox. I found this e.l.f. Face Pure Mineral. No, that's not what it's called. Mineral Infused Face Primer by e.l.f. I heard this is comparable to Smashbox, so we'll have to see. And then I also picked up, you guys will not believe how much this was. $3.99! This Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation, $3.99 at TJMAXX. I was so excited about this that I picked up 5 of them. I am reselling them on the apps I use. I use Poshmark and Mercari. I'm not going to resell it for $5, but if you would like one of these for a way cheaper price, follow me on one of those apps, message me that you saw this video, and I will definitely give it to you at a way discounted price. So normally this is $42. I'll probably give it to you like for 15 bucks, maybe 20, I don't know, message me. So I also found, and I'm not kidding you guys, I have like a bunch. So if you want some, hit your girl up. I found myself at my local, well, not my local beauty supply, my cousin's local beauty supply, and I picked up, okay, if Treese Time is watching this, she's gonna drag me. I talked so much mess about this this eyeshadow palette last year, and why did I pick up another one? This $5 palette is one of my favorites, honestly. I also picked up this 9 Perfect Color by Nicka K from my beauty supply. I don't know. And then I also picked up this one. If you guys want a look, let me know. I went to Nordstrom's Rack and got this super cute laptop case for $16.97. This normally retails for like 30 bucks, so I was super excited. I also got this laptop skin, you guys, for 20 bucks. This normally goes for like $15, so I was super excited about this. And then while I was at it, I was like, oh, let's just get the mouse to go with it. There was so much marble stuff there that it was kind of ridiculous. Like, I literally just had to, like, call it quits. All right, few more things that I'm super excited about, and then we'll be all right. So these are the things that I'm most excited about that I found. I got this from TJMAXX. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Spicy for $6.99. So I got that one, and I also got the color Milkshake. I was so excited. You guys, my friend bought me one of these last year, 2 years ago, and I was obsessed with it, but I just like am so cheap. I could not bring myself to pay the $20, but I found two for $14. It's probably like the most excited you'll ever see me on this channel. I also picked up this LA Splash Lip Couture for $3. If you guys like this video, let me know. I'll continue to do more hauls. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are shopping at TJMAXX and Marshalls, I have been seeing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette in the cream and the powder palette. So I picked myself up a couple. To be honest, I don't even know where they are at this moment. But when I find them, we'll do a video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that jazz. But if not, have a wonderful day. I will see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's ShannonAshley here, and today we are going to be doing some pretty fun stuff. It is the last Saturday of 2017. I have the day off. I'm just super duper excited. We are going to go to Rancho Cucamonga, which is so funny because last year, on the very first day of the year, I went to Rancho Cucamonga and spent time with my cousin. So we'll be doing the same, but we're gonna make a couple pit stops before. There are a few things I wanna look at before I hit the road. Let's do a little outfit of the day. Okay, so I love being comfy. So we have this grayish shirt. This gray shirt, not grayish, gray shirt with like the little, I forget what they call these shirts. It's a regular shirt, but I'm trying to like wear it off to the side, so it's kind of like suffocating my neck right here. But that's why we're doing hair to the side. And then, so this is from Ross. I got my Nike Air Maxes. These I actually picked up from Ross. These pants are from Target, and this is from Target. And then the lipstick I'm wearing is Ruby Kisses. I'll put it in the description box. So yeah, we're just going to head out. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and happy last Saturday of the year. Guys, so I just got gas, and I wanted to get a car wash, but I couldn't. Well, I could, but the line was so long. It was like 5 cars deep. I was like, what the heck? I don't have time. That was probably like at least a 30-minute wait, at least, to get my car washed. Just think about it. If it's like 7 minutes per car, 7 times 5, yeah, 30-minute wait. So I was kind of like, nah, we're not gonna do that. The car wash code expires like at the end of next month, so I was like, whatever, I'll just get it then. So right now I'm just gonna go get food and be on my way to Rancho. We are at Dunkin' Donuts, one of my favorite places. Oh, that's weird. We're at Dunkin' Donuts, one of my favorite places to eat breakfast, but I have to keep myself away from here. Did I bring my lipstick? It's like my lipstick. Yay, I brought it. This is the lipstick I'm wearing. It is Ruby Kisses Ruby, and it is their matte lip lacquer. I like it. All right, so I'm gonna go get me a donut and a coffee and a water because I need water. Right now we are at Marshalls, and I'm going in to see if they have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit or any of the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks, because I love those and they work way better than this. So let's go in and see what they have inside of Marshalls. All right guys, I was able to find one. I know the vlog footage was a little weird, but I found one and I looked inside. It's never been used, guys. All right guys, so I just left TJMAXX. It's literally like hunting for treasure. This is the only one they had, and the color Spicy, $6.99. So far I've been to Marshalls in TJMAXX and they've only had one each. This is insane though that I'm finding them.
Vlogging outfit.
What?
The outfit you have on.
Why do you say that?
I feel like you've worn that outfit several, not that exact outfit, but like that's your style.
Like the style?
In the vlog.
Alright guys, so we are at TJMAXX in Rancho Cucamonga and we're gonna see if they have some Anastasia stuff. Alright, where's the beauty stuff? I think they have the 3.4 ounce. Yeah. 3.4 for $50. Alright, time to hunt. These are cute. Dun 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 dun. And it does not look like they're gonna have it at this one. I've literally had to hunt every time. These aren't it. Here's the contour palette I was telling you about.
This is the fair. Isn't there a number 2 called Deep or something?
Yeah, there's another one that's deep. Yeah, this is all picked over already. Might have came too late. What a steal. Smashbox foundation for $3.99? What?
I wish this was my color. I've been watching this
Oh
girl.
my gosh. Alright guys, we are leaving TJMAXX and I am just so taken aback at what we found. Like, I'm barely speaking. The girl at the register looked kinda like,
I was gonna be like, winning for the chocolate girls, so I didn't want to make her feel bad.
She was looking real like upset, kinda, that I found a $42 foundation for $4. I am not mad at all.
That's freaking less than 10%.